So good morning, class. Good morning. Okay, so before we start, please stand for our prayer. So in the name of Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit, amen. So now, let us have some energizer to engage our mind and our skills, our body. So, okay, so please be seated. So for now, we have our classroom rules. Are you familiar with our classroom rules?
Yes, ma'am.
So please read our classroom rules. Number one.
Maintain evidence. A. Arrive on time. R. Distract others. I. Initiate participation. E. Engage in learning. L. Lesson instructions. L. Limit instructions. And T. Exercise kindness.
Okay, so I forgot to introduce myself. By the way, I am Marielle, so you can call me Ma'am Yal, Ma'am Mark, or anything like that. Not my full name. So that is our school rules. So again, good morning everyone. So how are you today, class?
That's right, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So may I know who are absent for today?
No, ma'am.
So it is nice to know that you are all here and willing to learn. So let's give ourselves a round of applause. So before anything else, let's do a quick recapitulation of what we have discussed since our last meeting. So anyone would like to share? Okay, Miss Paula.
It was all about cooperative learning structures.
Okay, so what do cooperative learning structures in the classroom? In Miss Maya?
Cooperative learning structures in class used by teacher to foster cooperation among students. So the these structures, students actively engage, interact, and support each other to meet coordinated objectives. So participation in cooperative activities enhances class, communication, and critical thinking skills, while improving subject understanding through personal development.
Okay, thank you. So before that, we have here our learning objectives. So kindly read anyone.
At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to understand the concept of cooperative learning and its benefits in enhancing individual and group learning in mathematics engagement. As develop practical mitigation skills by explaining mathematical concepts and reasoning for others in activities like think, break, share, stage, scribe, rolling, coaching, and analysis frame. Foster a positive attitude towards working collaboratively with others to achieve common goals in mathematics.
Okay, thank you. So for now, for you to let us delve deeper our understanding of this lesson. So our topic for today is all about cooperative learning structures in mathematics teaching. So cooperative learning is the structural use of small groups so that students work together to maximize their own and each other's learning. Group work is only effective if it is structured correctly. So according to Dellen Williams states that group work is only effective if all of the group are individually accountable for progress of the task. If one member doesn't apply themselves, the task cannot be completed. So are you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have here the examples of cooperative learning. So these are the examples of cooperative learning. So the first is think, break, share. So the first is think time. If you want quality answers, then provide enough think time for them to be able to formulate the answer and think about how they are going to complete this. So the second is naming partners. So if you ask partners to work in pairs or fours, ask them to name themselves partner A, B, or A, B, C, D. You can use one ways to do this, like partner A is the person with the biggest hand, or partner A is born first. The third is hit. It is important when one of the students gets something wrong, you just tell them the answer. So the structure is, So when to use the think, per share? Anyone? Okay, Ms. Milay?
We can use this before the instruction.
Okay, so very good. We can use this before the instruction. So the structure is, students are provided with a question or image or stimulus and are provided with sufficient think time. So in pairs, they name themselves partner A and partner B as above and then discuss a stimulus in a structured way. So ways to use in mathematics. So we can provide a set of minimally different questions that use the same method and ask students to spot what they progress. Spot the mistake. Third, what is this a good example of etc. And lastly, just simply putting an image up on the board and asking, where is the map in this? So the second example is stage inscribe or rally coach. So the structure, so when we can use the stage inscribe or rally coach, anyone who can share their, okay, Ms. Nayan?
So we can use stage scribe or rally coach. That is used after teachers instruction and before individual work.
Okay, thank you. So let's say you have just got simultaneous. So let's say you have just got simultaneous equations. For example, how to add or subtract two linear equations in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So the structure of the next activity you ask students will be in pairs. So it is used in mathematics like compound area, circles, drawing a pie chart, histograms, compound angle problems, worded questions, and quadratic equations solving factoring or formula. So the third example is whiz trade. So when we can use the whiz trade? Anyone? Okay, Miss Matos.
It is used for short and recall.
Okay, so the students are provided with pre-created cards with the short questions on one side and the answers on the back. So the students are now loaded with card with the questions on one side and answer on the other. These questions should take no longer than 20 seconds to work out, so can either be a short questions or stating the next step of the procedure. So, we can play a song in the class. Students stand up and begin to walk around the room with their card. Once they are with their partner at outskirts of the room, they show each other their questions. So they answer each other's question verbally. So we can use this in mathematics like sequences and then learn what's the next step, what does this word mean, gives the shape from the properties, and spell the word. So in conclusion, can we read Ms. Nicole?
So in conclusion, these strategies can be simply integrated in mass learning. First, think friction indicates real meaning for individual retention and clear discussion. Next, sage is described approach encourages cooperative problem solving, while the quiz way promotes active review and methodical practice. And according to research by calculate and calculate the concepts of it and count on 1992, these methods significantly improve students' learning outcomes by fostering deeper understanding and faster learning.
Okay, so did you understand our lesson class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready for our activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first activity is, so for this test, you will be generalize the lessons we have discussed. So please answer this in our one motion paper. The next one will be for you to generalize your understanding about the lesson we discussed. And the second is for you to apply your knowledge on how did you understand our lesson. Okay, so please answer the test one before I proceed to test two. Okay, are you done with the test one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, time's up. Please pass your paper. So for now, we have an activity. This week instruction, Miss Marcos.
Mathematical collaboration challenge instructions. First, support various or small groups with diverse skill levels. Second, explain the benefits of cooperative learning and multiplication. Third, present math problems for groups to solve together. Fourth, emphasize practical communication and explain solutions. Fifth, rotate roles using activities like take, fair share, sage and strive, and quiz trade. And sixth, discuss benefits of collaborative learning and positive teamwork. Seventh, reflect on how cooperative learning enhances math understanding. And the last review, paying learning and teamwork importance in achieving math goals.
Okay, thank you. So for this activity, you will be grouped into two, and you will be answered the following questions. Shown in the screen. So this is the group one, and this is the group two. So are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please pass your papers. Okay, thank you. And then, you will decide and create a comprehensive classroom management routine and materials to be used during cooperative learning routines. So the goal is to enhance collaboration, engagement, and productivity within the classroom by establishing effective management strategies and utilizing appropriate resources. So the submission guidelines are submit a written document outlining the classroom management routines, materials produced, implementation plan, and reflection. Include visuals of the materials created if applicable. So present your submission in a professional and organized manner, addressing each component of the assignment clearly and comprehensively. So take note. Feel free to reference classroom management theories, cooperative learning strategies, and practical examples to support your assignment. So do you understand the instructions of this in class?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have questions?
Ma'am.
Clarifications? Okay, so please stand up for our closing prayer. Okay, so I just wait. Okay, let's pray. Amen.